Break tayo. Bakit tayo nandito ngayon lahat? Tanong nyo ba yan? Sino nagtatanong, bakit tayo biglang nandito? May I see your hands? Yung iba, wala kamay? O alam nyo, last Tuesday, this week, the Cultural Center of the Philippines called us to a meeting with their admin, only to tell us that they had new and recent findings that the building is condemned. It's so dangerous, and they were awakened, especially by that earthquake in Batanes, that the building was further damaged yung isang earthquake dito sa Metro Manila around 2 months ago, more or less. Pinaaral nila yan. I talked with Margie Moran, who is also a friend of ours, and who is chair of CCP. Are we safe? Are we okay? And we're always checking all the time, kahit noon, 14 years, pinapacheck lagi kung baka lumaglag yung mga kisame, everything. I will not want any one of you na malaglagan kahit ng daga. And you know, we were told, you have to vacate the place. That was Tuesday. Wednesday, we had a worship. We would have had a worship. And Sunday ito, saan tayo lilipat? Where will I find a roof to put over all of your heads? A big ship cannot turn so quickly. So frenetic arrangements were made. Naghahanap tayo ng mga hotel, mga ballrooms, kung ano-ano mga hall dyan, pati ilalim ng tulay sa Quiapo. Tinanong ko, kasi ba tayo dito? Baka pwede, baka lang tayo paalisin ng mayor. That was 2 o'clock Tuesday. I said, sa boardroom mismo ng Cultural Center, sabi ko, may I use your phone? Of course naman, yes. So, someone in my group called, and we frantically came here to talk to some people. Before the day was over, nagbayad tayo, nabook na natin ito. Una, miracle, may ibinayad tayo. Pero may mas malaking miracle, bigla-bigla mo ba namang makakaladkad tong hall na to? At nakabook na tayo mga kapatid buong buwan. All the Sundays of this month. At ang inaayos natin, buong taon. At sana hanggang bumalik ang Panginoon, dito na tayo. Gusto nyo ba dito? Lakasan nyo palakpak para marinig. Salamat sa folk arts, 14 na taon tayo dyan. Mahal na mahal natin yan. But when the Lord says, pull up your tents and move, ganun yung Exodus, pull up the tents and move. We have the heritage of a pilgrim people. Lagi marami nagtatanong, ba't hindi na lang po kayo bumili ng lote at para may building kayo? Bibili ka ng ganitong kalaki para magkasa itong mga taong to. Saan tayo makakabili? Sa Pililla Rizal. Pupunta kayo? Ang dami-dami natin. Gusto ko maraming parking lot. Paano yun? Kaya mas gusto ko nila mag-rent. Kasi mas napipili mo yung lugar. Pag lumaki kayo, lakihan. Pag lumiit kayo, dilitan, nakaka-adapt. And then we can focus on the more important things, our spiritual feeding. Kung magkautang-utang tayo, mag-fundraising ako, pag nakikita nyo ako, mukhang peso sign. Dahil may pinapatayo tayong building. No. What we can afford, that's where we go. Because we also allocate many of our resources to our social work, to our charities, to our missions. Salamat because napaka-accommodating ng PICC. You know, the Folk Arts Theater belong to the Cultural Center of the Philippines, but the PICC belong to the Central Bank of the Philippines. So ibang kausap doon. Pero may iisang Diyos over everybody. And the Lord has placed us here. Salamat sa Panginoon. At salamat din sa lahat ng tumulong. Alam nyo ngayon, naglilipat tayo lahat. Yung lahat ng naipon nating gamit doon sa 1 hektaryang sahig ng folk arts, hindi natin namalayan. Ang dami pa nating nilagay. Ngayon kailangan pagkasyahin natin muli sa ating sariling building sa Makati. You know, somebody has to swing everything. But yes, so many people were very helpful, kaya tayo narito. At next week, lolobin ng Panginoon, narito pa rin tayo at ipanalangin nyo na yung mga araw na may fully, na talagang book na dito, definitely all throughout some time, lilipat tayo na ibang venue. Yung ibang-iba sabi, wow, nag-level up ang day by day. No. Going to PICC is not a leveling up because ikundinala tayo ng Panginoon sa isang bodega. Anong itatawag nyo doon? Ang bulwagan ng Panginoon ay kung saan siya sinasamba. PICC man yun, o ilalim ng tulay, o ilalim ng puno, aircon man o hindi. O mga kababaihan, matatahimik na yung buhok nyo kasi sa bukas nagtatayuan yung buhok nyo sa lakas ng hangin. Salamat talaga sa mga nagbigay ng electric fan. Huwag nyo na sanang bawiin. So, importante mga kapatid, we always thank God and kung saan tayo dalhin. Hindi kailangan na mapilit. Ang mahalaga, because ang ating puso, yan ang bulwagan ng Panginoon. Kahit saan magpunta ang worshiper, nandun ang Panginoon. Sabi ni Jesus, when 2 or 3 are gathered in my name, I am there. So the Lord is here. Ito ngayon, isang bulwagan ng Panginoon. Ang nakaraan,